A very warm welcome to everyone on Emotions and Stories. We are so glad with the overwhelming response. We are glad you're liking our stories and you're relating with them. Today's story is called The Phoenix Within. Arjun was a dreamer, the kind of person who wore his heart on his sleeve, and he believed in the purity of love. At 24, he had everything going for him: a promising career as a graphic designer, a close knit group of friends, and a zest for life. But when he met Ria, his world changed in ways he had never anticipated. Ria was captivating, her laughter infectious, her confidence magnetic. From their very first conversation at a mutual friend's party, Arjun was smitten. They spent hours talking, sharing their dreams and fears, and discovering a connection that felt so good to be true. For 2 years, Arjun devoted himself to Ria. He designed her birthday cards, wrote her poetry, surprised her with thoughtful gifts. To him, she was his muse, his confidant, and one he imagined growing old with. He believed their love was unshakable. But cracks began to show. Ria grew distant, her once vibrant enthusiasm replaced by cold indifference. She started cancelling plans, offering vague excuses, and spent more time on her phone than engaging in their conversations. Arjun tried to ignore the growing unease, convincing himself that she was just stressed from work. One evening, as he was preparing dinner at her apartment, Ria's phone buzzed incessantly on the counter. Out of habit, he glanced at the screen and saw a string of messages from a name he didn't recognize. His chest tightened. Curiosity got the better of him, and what he read shattered his world. The messages were intimate, affectionate, and undeniably romantic. Ria had been seeing someone else. When confronted, Ria didn't deny it. "I didn't mean it to happen, Arjun," she said, her voice devoid of remorse. "I think we've grown apart. I didn't know how to tell you." Her words fell like daggers. Arjun left her apartment that night, his heart in pieces. The betrayal consumed him, filling his days with anger, sadness, and self-doubt. Had he been not enough? Was it his fault? The weeks that followed were dark. Arjun withdrew from friends and family, finding solace only in solitude. His sketchpad, once filled with vibrant colors and bold designs, now lay untouched. He felt like a hollow shell of the person he used to be. But pain, as crucial as it was, became his greatest teacher. One evening, while aimlessly walking through the city, Arjun stumbled upon a street painting artist painting a mural. The artist's brush moved with precision, creating beauty from chaos. Arjun felt a spark, a faint reminder of the passion he once had. He went home, picked up his sketchpad, and began to draw. At first, his lines were jagged, the colors dark. But as days turned into weeks, his art transformed, mirroring his journey from despair to hope. Arjun also leaned on his friends, who reminded him of his worth and encouraged him to focus on himself. He started jogging every morning, rediscovered his love for reading, and even enrolled in a photography class. Slowly but surely, he rebuilt his life. Months later, at an art exhibition showcasing emerging talent, Arjun displayed a series titled The Phoenix Within. Each piece depicted a journey of transformation, from heartbreak to healing, from loss to self-discovery. As he stood by his artwork, a visitor approached him. "Your work is incredible," she said, her eyes warm and genuine. "It feels so real, so raw." Arjun smiled, feeling a lightness he hadn't in months. "Thank you," he replied. Though the scars of betrayal remained, Arjun realized they didn't define him. He was stronger, wiser, and more in tune with himself than ever before. Ria's betrayal had broken him, but it had also paved the way for him to rise, like a phoenix from the ashes, embracing a brighter, more authentic version of himself. We hope you liked this version of our story. Thank you for listening to us. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.